Subscribe to Ashish Computer Typing Institute for more such videos. Here we will discuss the question bank of batch 104 of dated 17 July 2019 of English 40 words per minute. So let's begin. Cursor pointer changes to a hand when cursor goes over a dash. Answer is hyperlink. The shortcut key to delete any item permanently from the computer without sending to recycle bin is dash. Answer is shift plus delete. While transferring data on network, speed is measured in dash unit. Answer is baud rate. Data in fiber optic cable is transferred through dash. Answer is light pulses. Which one of the following is the characteristics of multimedia system? Answer is both A and B, that is high storage and high data rates. In MS Word, from Dash tab, you can see the option Show or Hide column. Answer is View. In MS Word, a word underlined with a wave red line indicates as dash. Answer is spelling mistake. In MS Word form, dash tab you can see the option Show or Hide ruler. Answer is View. We cannot convert table into text. Answer is false. Entire row will be selected if we double click at left bottom corner of a cell. Answer is true. In the formula we look up in bracket March A1 is to D5 3, 0. March is lookup value which will be searched in dash manner in the first column. Answer is vertical. Press Alt plus P equal to dash. Answer is page layout tab active. Used a shift plus down arrow key combine dash. Answer is select down cell range. To make cell references, absolute dash symbol is used. Answer is dollar symbol. The cell addresses used in formula are also known as answer is reference. In PowerPoint, dash is the top slide that stores information about the theme. Answer is slide master. In PowerPoint, we can set action to dash types of shapes. Answer is action buttons. PageMaker is the software created by dash company. Answer is Adobe. What lets you to create new presentation by selecting ready-made font, color and graphic effects? Answer is design template. In PageMaker, zoom in and zoom out option is available in dash menu bar. Answer is view. Yahoo Briefcase was launched in year dash. Answer is 1999. Data can be permanently stored in dash even after switching off the computer. Answer is secondary memory. Dash keys are called toggle keys. Answer is both A and B, that is scroll lock and number lock. Maximum data storing capacity of DVD is dash. Answer is 4.7 GB. Dash can be used to make text more attractive. Answer is all of these, that is font, size and color. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share.